Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Virgos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Virgos, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, Virgos. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation. If you want more clarity in your situation, Virgos, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general energy, guys. So you can stay tuned for that. Before that, let's see what are these cards, guys. We will start with these cards. We have 5 of stars, 6 of suns, and 2 of suns in reverse. So with these cards in your situation, guys, it may be in your work situation, or it may be your situation in this relationship. So in your situation today, you are feeling really anxious. Some kind of worries are there for you today. Maybe things are not going as expected and you are seeing some troubles, maybe some delays or suspensions in your work, and certain things are not going as expected maybe, and you are feeling really sad because of that, and you feel that you are having too many burdens on your shoulders, guys, and maybe you feel that something is right and you're proceeding towards that, but when you have made that choice with that path, you see that it involves more than what you have taken up, and it involves more responsibilities and more investments on your part, maybe emotionally and physically, and you feel really lost and lot of stress, and you feel really irritated because of that. And maybe for some of you, your situation is changing so much that you are seeing things with a fresh perspective today. Maybe you are unable to hold on to what you believe in, maybe your old ideas or beliefs or the way of life or the way of work, whatever it is, you are unable to hold on to that, and your circumstance is forcing you to change somehow, guys. So you are seeing great changes in your life today, guys, Virgos, and things are changing drastically in your situation, and it may be a positive change, guys, and though it is something stressing you, though it is giving you a lot of frustration and you feel really angered because of these changes, it is something taking you towards hope and greatness in your future, guys. And that probably for some of you, you are getting a good news, maybe a positive message or a positive news in your work or in your relationship. So these changes are necessary for success in your domestic and your career situation, guys, Virgos. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. So let's see for your relationship. We have Ace of Moons in reverse. So with this card in your situation, guys, again we see that there are changes happening in your situation, and maybe for some of you, you were stuck to your past. Maybe you had a lot of worries thinking about your past, worrying about your past person or this past love. Maybe you had invested a lot in that relationship, your time, energy, and your emotional feelings, and you feel really lost because you do not have that love with you. So it is simply making you sad and stressed, and you're missing that person like crazy. But you need to move on, guys. You need to understand that we have to give up everything that is not working and move on. Only then we will be able to enjoy what is there in the present and what lies ahead in our life. So that is the energy. So again, I see great changes happening in your relationship, guys. Relationship with the person you love. So there are huge positive changes happening in your situation, guys, Virgos. Maybe you miss them, but what is happening right now is something good for you, good for your life. So the card for your career situation, it is Ace of Stars. So with this card, I see that you have a positive new beginning in your life. It may be a new project or some financial deal or some work related beginning. A positive change is what is happening, and something that gives you happiness. And maybe for some of you, if you had some confusions regarding your work, you are going to see it with clarity, guys, and understand the reason for that particular circumstance. So that is the reading for today, guys, Virgos. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity in your situation, you can watch the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card and this is your second card. Whichever card you want to choose, you can first close your eyes, think about your situation, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. We will see what it is. I'll keep this card aside. So for those who chose this card, we have the juniper tree. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in your situation today, guys, maybe you are feeling extremely guilty or responsible for certain things. Maybe it has happened in your life or certain circumstances that has unfolded in someone close to you. So, and you feel really guilty because you feel that you are the one responsible for those circumstances or the way things went. But in truth, you need not feel sad and stressed because it is not your making and this is not your fault. And you need to understand that you are someone with a good heart. That is the reason you feel sadness for someone else, troubles or worries, guys. And you need to understand that you should not lose hope and keep doing the right things you are doing right now and being really compassionate. And you are someone really compassionate. That is what I see, guys. And this sadness or stress, whatever it is the making of someone, some kind of person. It may be a third party involved in your situation, in this relationship. So you are doing the right things, but you are taking the responsibilities for all the faults or mistakes that have happened. And this is the time for us to stop the blame game and shift our attention. So we need to be compassionate. We should not be impulsive. And when we are that way, we are going to get a second chance at our life, second chance in this relationship or in that particular circumstance, whatever has unfolded and whatever is stressing you today. And you need to understand that the truth in your situation will reveal itself because we cannot hide truth for a long time, guys, whether it is our mistake or someone else's mistake. We can never hide truth, never bury truth. So that is the energy with this card. And we should not act out of our anger or resentments. We should always be kind and compassionate and be patient. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So for those who chose this card, the second card, let's see what it is. We have new life. So the appearance of this card in a reading just means that This is a very auspicious time for you in your relationship or any kind of partnerships you have taken up in your life. So it may mean even your business collaborations or a beautiful beginning in this relationship. So if you are already in a connection with someone you love, you are going to see positive transformation in this connection. You are going to experience more intimacy, harmony, and vibrancy in this relationship, and you are going to feel a much more deeper connection with this person you love. And if you are single and if you are open to a new relationship, this is the time for a new beginning coming up in your life, guys. So you are going to find someone new, and that relationship is going to be so fulfilling, filled with harmony, balance, and sweetness of that togetherness, intimacy, and that blessed understanding you both have with each other. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, it is a new beginning you are seeing in your life today. Maybe in your relationship or maybe in your work situation, whatever it is a very auspicious card, guys, and it denotes a new beginning and a new life. So that is the reading with this card, guys. I hope this reading resonates. If you like this reading, please like and comment, and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.